Hello and welcome to Physics Basket. So let us get started with the upcoming topic, which is on continuation with motion in 1D. Additional problems that we are going to do here, which is on displacement in the nth second and the relationship between displacement, acceleration, and velocity. So,
Okay, so this is the next question that we have. It says that a body it travels with 102.5 meter in nth second and 115 meter in the n plus 2th second. So the acceleration of the body is. So as we know, like for nth second, right? S nth, the formula is u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. How do you find it out? In the background, like you have S equal to ut. So, say in n second, what is the time? So un plus half a n square, and in the n minus 1 second, in my n minus 1 time and n minus 1 second, total distance will be S equal to u into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a n minus 1 whole square. And nth second will be the distance covered between these durations. Nothing but Sn minus Sn minus 1, and you minus it from there, then you get this value. Okay. So from here, nth second the body is traveling 102.5. So we have u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1 is equal to 102.5. And similarly, n plus 2th second, it travels 115. So we can say u plus a by 2, and we'll say 2n minus 1, 2 into n is n plus 2 in this case, right? So n plus 2 minus 1. This is equal to 115, which gives us. So if let us say this is equation 1, and let us say this is equation 2. So we'll say 2 minus 1. So what we get is u is anyways down. So we have a by 2 into 2n plus 4 minus 1. I'm just expanding it. And a by 2 is outside from both. And then it will be 2n minus 2n. And this minus minus is plus. Correct? So I just expanded it 2n plus 4 minus 1. And minus 2n plus 1. Okay, a by 2 is taken out. So this gives us 115 minus 112. So 2 minus 1 we 115 minus 100, 102.5, so which is equal to 12.5. 12.5. So 20 is down, and then we have 4. So it's okay. 2a equal to 12.5 or a equal to 6.25. Okay. So yeah, so A is the right option here.
hey everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for regular updates on JEE and NEET physics for class 11 and 12. Your small support can really encourage and motivate me to create more useful and high quality content for students like you. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any latest lesson and content. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, so we have this question in front of us which says that the relation between time t and the distance x is given as t equal to ax square plus alpha x square. Sorry, it's alpha x square plus beta x, where alpha and beta are constants. So the relation between a acceleration and the velocity v is. So we need to find the relation between this. So basically, in this case, t is expressed. The time t is expressed as alpha x square plus beta x. Okay. So where x is the distance, right? So normally, if we know what is velocity, velocity is basically dv by sorry dx by dt. So if we have x in terms of t, then it will be easy to find the velocity. Similarly, acceleration is equal to dv by dt, which is nothing but d2x by dt square, right? So we have been given t equal to alpha x square plus beta x, or we can say uh, alpha x square plus beta x minus t is equal to 0. Okay, so since x is the variable here, so we can find the value of x. This is a quadratic equation, so we can find the value of x as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. With that formula, we can say x equal to minus beta plus minus square root of b square, beta square minus 4ac 4 alpha t, and t is minus, it will be plus by 2a 2 alpha, right? In this case, we can't consider it negative because overall the x distance will come as negative. So we'll take it as minus beta plus this one. We can, so let us consider plus first and then we'll see. So we'll say x equal to minus beta plus square plus 4 alpha t by 2 alpha. So we have got this value. Now, if we find v, so we can find v is equal to dx by dt. So with this plus value, it will be minus beta by 2 alpha. When we do dx by dt, it will anyways become 0, right? Because that's a constant. Plus, second one is 1 by 2 alpha into, this is the constant that's coming out. And then we are doing this part now, d by dx of this one. So it will be 1 by 2 beta square plus 4 alpha t to the power what? 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Into, we need to do this d by dt of dx by dt of this one. So which will be 4 alpha. Okay. So what we get now? So from here, so this 4 alpha is 2 alpha and 4 alpha is down, and then we get 2 here, and 2 and 2 is down. So we get uh, v equal to this 4 alpha is anyways out. So v equal to beta square plus 4 alpha t to the power minus 1 by 2. This is my v. Similarly, a is equal to dv by dt. So we will do the next second time integration. So this one we are going to, sorry, derivate this. So now this time we are going to do minus plus a minus 1 by 2 beta square plus 4 alpha t to the power next to the power n minus 1, right? So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into, now this 4 alpha t, we need to do it one more time. So it will be 4 alpha. So what we get here, minus 1 by 2 uh, beta square plus 4 alpha t to the power minus 3 by 2 into 4 alpha. So let this get straight, so it will be 2 alpha, right? So minus 2 alpha into, so this is my equation 2, which is for B and A. Okay, so if I so what are the options here? Okay. Hmm. So A and B. Anyway, so if we see here, actually V to the power 3. So V is to the power minus 1 by 2. So V to the power 3 into 2 alpha. So nothing but we get A equal to E to the power 3 into 2 alpha, and there is a minus sign. So minus, this is B to the power 3, because B is to the power minus beta square plus 4 alpha t to the power minus 1 by 2. So it is B to the power minus B to the power 3 into 2 alpha. So you have an option, something like that. A equal to B minus with the B by 2 alpha, okay, minus 2 alpha. So C is the right answer.
So with this, we conclude the current topic, and in the upcoming topic, we are going to do motion in 1D, further numericals on riverboat problem and projectile motion. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you.